This review is of Nature Valley Soft Baked Muffin Bars. They're apple cinnamon flavor. They've got real fruit and whole grains in them. No artificial flavors, colors, or high fructose corn syrup. This is not a vegan product as it has milk and eggs in it, unfortunately. It's a product of Canada. I don't see anything else special about it. There are the nutrition facts and ingredients. And it does have GMO in it. So if you have sensitivity to the crap that they use to make GMO, like, you know, the viruses and bacteria that they use to alter the DNA with, or whatever it is that they're doing these days, you might want to stay away from this product. I'm not happy about eating this product because I'm a vegan. And when I say I'm a vegan, I say I'm a whole food, plant-based vegan. Vegan doesn't necessarily mean you're eating healthful food. It just means you're eating food that doesn't have animals and animal products in it. So there is no filling in this. The apples and cinnamon are baked into the dough. I would not call this a muffin bar. It does not have the texture, the consistency of muffins. Unfortunately, it does have palm oil. And so out of the 6 grams of fat, there's 1.5 grams that's saturated. There's no cholesterol, surprisingly, despite the milk and eggs. There's 170 milligrams of sodium, 23 grams of carbs, of which 4 are dietary fiber, so that's okay. Total sugars are 9, of which 6 are added, and 2 grams of protein, because protein comes from plants. So the cinnamon flavor is very mild. I do like the flavor. I had been hoping for more of an apple and cinnamon flavor because I really like that combination. But no such luck for me today. So I'll give it a 7. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.